Super Kawaii Slime! Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Super Kawaii Slimes. This is my first video on here, and on this channel I do slimes, squishies sometimes, but as you can tell probably from my channel name, I do mostly slimes. So, for my first video I'm going to make slime. So yeah. What you'll need, well, you might already know how to make slime, but what I'm using is some Elmer's clear glue. And, wait, should I use white glue? Because I have, like, all my glues here. I have, like, 4 glues. I'm going to use, I don't have a lot of this, so I might use both of these because I don't have a lot left in this one, and I want the slime to be a little bit big. And a mixing thing. In my activator, which is borax. Oh, my glue fell. So, which is some borax activator, and there's many videos on slime like this. So yeah, this is not my original idea. Okay, so yeah, first I'm gonna add some glue to my bowl or container thingy. Because this isn't really a bowl. Can you see? Right here. There's barely anything left in this, but I'm just going to finish it. Come out. It doesn't want to come out. I know there's more. Sorry, my hand's kind of blocking it. Okay, let me add some clear glue. So yeah, I added some clear glue now. I'm just going to mix the white glue and the clear glue because, yeah, I added 2. This one, I have my paints over here, and I have to pick a color because I want the slime to be colored. Let's do a pink slime, why not? Oh, there's a hair on this. I don't have a lot left. Oh, yeah, just squirted. And this is more red, so I guess I'm having a red slime. It's okay. Well, it will look like blood. Well, I might go, because right now it's like Halloween time. So, yeah. No, I should have made it orange. It's okay. Now let's add a little bit of activator. Just gonna, oh my god, I think I added too much. So, yeah. So I added a little bit more activator in it. I think it's forming. It's this nice pink color. If you can see, the lights aren't really that good right now. So yeah, it's not that sticky anymore. Like, I don't like to knead slime while it's still sticky, cause like I'm not that type of person who likes to get their hands dirty. Yeah. You're probably like, it's not bad, like, you can take it out now. No, it's super sticky. And I know it looks like it's really okay. I think right now it is. Just gonna, there's still a little bit of borax, and I'm just gonna rub it all the way in. Yeah, it's good now. It's still a little sticky. I don't like sticky. This is not just a little sticky. It's super sticky. Oh my god. No, I do not like this. Ew. Let me try to get all this stuff off of me. Now let's put some more because it's still super sticky. And I have to put it back in the bowl because you're acting like a liquid and you're being sticky, slime. Don't give me that slime look. Don't do it. No. Okay, yeah, it's better now. Okay, good. You didn't give me that slimy, sticky look. Nope, it didn't. Is this like a fail? Is this a fail? I think this is a fail. This video was so long. And this was just supposed to be like my first video. Okay, I'll deal with this after the video. So yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, subscribe for more videos. And comment down below video suggestions, like what I should do next with slime. Or it could be like something with squishies, or yeah, whatever you want. It has to be related to slime or squishies if you want to comment with something. So yeah, bye. Bye, Slime Squad. So yeah, that's what I'm going to call you guys. Bye, Slime Squad.